Hey guys, sitting outside my daughter's school waiting for her to get out of school, and today my Fitbit Ionic came in, so figure I'll do a quick little unboxing video for you. Let's see, here's box, side, back. Let's see here. Comes in the normal Fitbit box. Open it up and you have the watch. Comes with the, let's see here, instructions, pamphlet, a little quick start guide, how to take the bands on and off. Tells you to download the Fitbit app. Some pretty pictures I guess you can hang up on your wall, by your computer, whatever you want to do there. Safety instructions, warranty information. Then underneath there you have the small watch band, just a plastic watch band there. Even the clasp is a plastic, probably composite clasp. As the charger. There's the new charger end. There we go. Then the watch. Back of it. And unwrap it. There we go. Looks like it's actually on there already, right out of the box. Comes with a large band on it. Again, it's going to be the same kind of a rubber band, not a rubber band, but a rubber band. It's kind of nice, has the clasp here, and it actually has a reinforced clasp there. There's the back of the watch where it's going to have the sensors for heart rate and the charging port. It's turning on, Fitbit setup. I guess from here I will go onto my phone and set it up. So that's the Fitbit Ionic, their new watch. If you want to see it in action, I'll try to post some videos up to my Instagram at Eric Living Lean. Thanks.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.